You think you're scalping, but in reality you're just gambling. Every day you're glued to the screen, firing off trades like a machine gun, convinced you're on the fast track to big profits. But by the end of the month, you can't really even cover your internet bill. So what's the reason? Well, the banks are using your money to play their game. Today, that changes. I'm going to reveal 5 secrets that professional traders and institutions use. Secrets they don't want you to know. So, if you're ready to stop bleeding money and start trading like a pro, pay close attention and watch the video till the end. First, timing is everything. Most scalpers think they need to trade all day, but that's the fastest way to lose money. Enter at the wrong time, and even the best strategy just simply won't save you. Low liquidity, high spreads, choppy markets, this will all eat your profits before you even realize what's happening. So, when should you trade? The golden hours. So for instance, the London session from 8 till 10 UTC, when European banks enter the market and liquidity surges. New York session from 13:30 to 15:30 UTC, when Wall Street opens and big money starts moving. And the best time of all, the London and New York overlap from 2 till 5 PM UTC. This is where liquidity and volatility combine to create the best setups. If you're trading outside these hours, you're wasting your time. So check the clock before you enter a trade. If it is not during these sessions, step back and wait for a while. Next, stop guessing with your trade execution. Too many scalpers fixate on the 1-minute chart, clicking in and out of trades with no real strategy. Then their stop loss gets hit within seconds and they wonder why. The problem? They're trading blind. The fix is simple. Before you take a trade on the 1-minute chart, check the 15-minute chart. Identify the overall trend and mark key support and resistance levels, places where big money has already placed orders. Only then should you drop to the 1-minute chart and execute your trade in the right direction. When you trade with the bigger trend, you stop fighting the market and your results improve instantly. Another mistake? Trading anywhere and everywhere. Professional traders don't take random trades. They wait for high probability zones, places where institutions have already placed their massive orders, just waiting for price to return before making their move. You can find these golden zones by looking for areas where multiple factors align. Order blocks, zones where institutions make big moves, liquidity sweeps, where stop losses were taken out, setting up a reversal, and flip zones, support and resistance levels that have already been tested. When you trade in these zones, you don't need dozens of confirmations. You enter with the lowest stop loss and the highest potential reward. Then there's of course the trade management itself. Most scalpers focus on getting the best entry, but the real money really comes from knowing how to exit. Before you even take a trade, you therefore need a plan. Decide exactly where you'll take profit based on key highs and lows on the 5-minute chart. Place your stop loss at logical levels, not random numbers. That way you're not constantly checking your trades and you don't let greed or emotions ruin your profits. In scalping, your exit is actually more important than your entry, so manage your trades ruthlessly or the market will do it for you. Finally, focus on one currency pair at a time. Most scalpers tend to jump between different pairs every day, thinking more opportunities mean more profits. But in reality, they are just losing. Professionals do the opposite. They master one pair and trade it better than everyone else. They know when it trends, when it ranges, and when to stay out. They recognize its patterns and react faster because they've seen it all before, time and time again. So pick one pair and master it. The deeper your knowledge, the better your results. Now you know the 5 secrets that separate professional scalpers from the rest. So, Are you going to keep making the same mistakes, or are you finally ready to trade like the pros? The choice is yours. Follow us for more tips on trading and see you next time. Thank you and good luck.